Hi guys, I'm Ravikiran. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am at the Tata dealership and I'm back with another car, the Tata new Tiago BS6 2020 version. So without getting late, let's start the video and let's see what are the features this car has. Talk about the exterior and let's go interior and see what are the features it has. So on the front, if you can see, the total front grille is given in piano black finish with 3 arrow design and Tata badging is placed here. So if you can see the headlamp design, so basically this has halogen reflectors with fog lamps. So the current version which you are looking at is a top model XZ Plus, and you get 15-inch alloy wheels, laser cut alloy wheels with this car gets Goodyear tires. And if you can see the side mirrors, so this is given in piano black finish as well. Let's go to the rear section of it, and if you can see the rear, you got rear defogger with rear wipers, and same the Tiago has split letters, Tata logo. You got camera along with the sensors. And if you can clearly observe the rear wing of this, you can see little treatment like spoiler type of treatment, and you got rear fog lamp as well, and fuel cap is placed on the left side of the car. So basically this is all about the exterior. Now let's get into the interior. Red treatment is given on the AC vents, and let me turn on it. So this is a key fob where you got lock, unlock and follow me light function. So this is how the dashboard looks like. So you got all digital display. You get an RPM meter at the left and fuel signals on the right. So let me rev it once. So if you can see the rev meter, it lights are very decent, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these all lights are coming in the white color. Basically you got speedometer, odometer, trip A, trip B, average, so distance to empty, and outside temperature. And so this is all about the instrumentation cluster, and you don't have any adjustable steering or telescopic or tilt steering, and you don't get any MID display controls on the right. So basically you got media controls on the left and source mode, and you got Bluetooth connectivity. So this is a call accept and call decline button. Now let's see the infotainment display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard. So basically you got USB phone setup, and let me show you other features as well. So you got iPod, park assist, phone, Bluetooth connectivity, radio, and you got touch AC controls. So this is the touch AC controls, like you can adjust the temperature from here. You also got a manual controls of AC as well. So if you can see the below part, so this is an automatic climate control button, and this is a AC fan speed option, rear defogger, front defogger, and AC vent function. And below you got 12-volt power socket with 1 USB. So this car has 5-speed transmission with 1 reverse and 2 cup holders, small cup holders, and regular phone space to keep your phone and stuff. And you got cool glove box. So there is a button here. So if you open this button, it opens up like this, and you got cool glove box where you can store your bottles and the bottles get cold. And the handles of this door also got piano black treatment with chrome door handles, and outside ORVM as an electronic, so you can basically adjust the electronic functions from inside the car. And you got 8 speakers with 4 tweeters and 4 speakers. So sound system is also very decent. So this is all about the front section. Now let me get into the back side. And if you can see the rear section, the rear back seat is totally a single seat design, so where you can hold the seat like this, and you got a rear tray to store some stuff. So this is how much of boot space you have. So and I have pushed the entire front seat to the rear dead center, so this much of place I have got. So you can see this is how much the place I have got, and heavy persons might find difficult to sit in. So if you can see, for instance, this is how much of place I have got when I totally sit here. Like I moved the entire front seat to the back. So if rear space would have been given more, that would be better, I think so. So if you can see here, this is the speakers and tweeters. This car is priced at rupees 6 lakhs to 7 lakhs 50,000 on road prices. So these are the prices for the petrol model. So these are the prices, like I am telling you the on road price. So prices may be differed from place to place depending upon your current location. And if you can see the engine power, like 1.2 liter Revetron, 86 PS of power. So basically they give you 15 to 16 kilometers of average mileage. So this is according to customer feedback. So this is the figures that you get while you're driving. So company claimed mileage is around 19.2 kilometers per liter, but you don't get that. So 14 to 15, like 14, 15, 16. So these are the figures you get. So this is all about the mileage figures, and maintenance costs would be less when compared with other manufacturers. And finally, this is all about all new Tiago. So if you want to buy this car, you can visit the Tata dealership. I will mention the details in the description below, so you can definitely check out with them. You'll find good discounts if you refer my name. So do check out if you want to buy. And those who are watching my content for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you get my notifications immediately when I upload a video. So see you in another video. Until then, bye. This is Ravi Kiran signing off.